Welcome to my first vlog on deep digital transformation. I've devoted the last 15 years to this topic. I also know about vlogging for 15 years, so you can question why didn't I start earlier? In fact, many of my friends, colleagues and peers have suggested I start vlogging even from day one. Like with many things, you first need to reach a tipping point before you get into action. I've reached this personal tipping point after my last adventure within a corporate organization. However, I'm not going to go into details of this. I think it's more interesting to look at the tipping point within society. More and more people get confronted, deeply confronted, with uncertainty. And that's the tipping point I want to talk about. Because what you see is that this uncertainty is the effect of a failing system. Most of our systems are logical-based systems, and they fail because our environment is getting volatile. What we need are complex adaptive systems that can deal with volatile environments. We have been studying such systems from different domains like biology and physics. I can again go deeper into this in another video, but I first here want to create an introduction on what I mean with deep digital transformation. And to do this, I think it's best to think about democracy. You can see democracy as a political system, but in years, we've seen over history how the logical of certain political systems fail. A better way to look at democracy is to consider it a spirit, consider it part of our culture, something far deeper than a system. The same way we see that people already involved in digital transformation go one level deeper. And this one level deeper has little to do with the software that was the enabler of the change. I'll give a few examples. The first are the digital nomads. So those are people probably already working within a digital environment and understand that they could actually make a drastic change in their daily life. Sell their house, go traveling, and while traveling, work online using the internet. Another pretty drastic example are people creating tattoos of their favorite projects. They're making a statement and an emotional expression of something they are deeply committed to. I myself made such a change, but to my name. I digitalized my name again 15 years ago. My first name, Mixel, is a digitalized Michael, while my second name, Kiemen, is a Dutch word for seedling. So it's about creating my own roots, creating my own mark. It's pretty similar to the tattoos. It's not as visual, but it's as profound because almost on a daily basis I get confronted with it. This statement is central to deep digital transformation. We already saw it in 2001 with the Agile Manifesto creating simple guidelines to overcome uncertainty within software development. In the same way, we see today for complex challenges, a call of code, where people come together to solve the problem collectively. And this is basically the statement I will make in this channel. You can take intelligence, put it into an algorithm, and therefore automate a complex behavior, or what I consider the better alternative, you can take intelligence, put it into a platform, and create complex coordination, solving uncertainty and complexity and volatile change by coming together. That's what this channel will be about.